So there's an opportunity here to win one of these World Cups. We're going to give away 3 World Cups over the course of the open house. All you've got to do is guess the cycle time correct to the nearest second, and the top 3 people will win one of these World Cups that we've machined on the Robo-Drill.
So I actually came to the FANUC open house last year, didn't exhibit, but still off the back of it got some really fruitful relationships with systems integrators and with other members of staff at FANUC. So we've done some really good work over the last 12 months.
My favourite part about the FANUC open house is the big variation of equipment that is shown, new innovation, the new products that are being developed and shown on the open house, and also the ability, or the opportunity I should say, for visiting suppliers who are also showcasing some of their latest equipment.
My favourite thing about working at FANUC is just the varied markets that we serve. Medical, aerospace, even plumbing tools. We've machined all sorts of different components on the Robo-Drill, and I like that, just the varied markets that we serve.
So at this year's open house, we've tried to make sure that we really include our new partners as well as our partners that we've worked with for 20 to 30 years. And it's really important for us that we get everyone within the automation industry together for this event. So everything from our suppliers to our partners to our integrators to our end customers. The whole idea for us is that we really want to show the end-to-end, the automation journey, and how people can really get involved and bring it into their own company.
Visitors to the UK Open House this year will be able to experience many of our own products, but also products that actually our integrators, our supplier base are actually bringing to actually demonstrate and to showcase. You'll also be able to see a wide range of varied talks from a number of different speakers who are knowledgeable in their own fields. It's really important. We're the advocates for this kind of change in UK industry to ensure we get a high degree of automation adoption going forward.